morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. So, children, let's do and let's give gratitude towards mother and labor. You must be thinking why ma'am is saying gratitude towards mother and labor. Why? Because we celebrate Labour's Day on 1st May, that is today, and we celebrate Mother's Day on 10th May, that is upcoming after 9 days. Labor Day is well deserved tribute for those who work so hard. जो लेबर हमारे लिए बहुत हार्ड वर्क करते हैं, ये उनको ट्रिब्यूट देने के लिए लेबर्स डे मनाया जाता है. It is only through labor and painful efforts, लेबर के पेनफुल एफर्ट्स के जरिए, by grim energy जो इनकी विक्ट एनर्जी है, and resolute courage जो इनके दृढ़ करेज है, that we move on to better things. हम एक जगह से एक बेटर प्लेस पे आ गए हैं. Let's celebrate the labor that built up this great land. ये जो लेबर है जिन्होंने ये लैंड बनाया है, फ्रॉम फील्ड टू फील्ड, डेस्क टू डेस्क, दे बिल्ट इट हैंड इन हैंड. इफ टू पीपल मीट एंड नाइदर इज वेयरिंग a mask, the risk of transmission of virus is very high. If one of them is wearing a mask, the risk is medium, and if both are wearing a mask, the risk is low. So people should keep their faces covered with masks and also ask others to do so for the benefit of the community. अगर एक दो आदमी बिना मास्क के बात कर रहे हैं तो उनमें वायरस पहुंचने का सबसे ज्यादा डर होता है. अगर उन दो आदमी में से एक ने पहना है मास्क, एक ने नहीं, तो थोड़ा सा कम होता है. लेकिन अगर दोनों ने मास्क पहना है तो हमारा रिस्क बहुत ही ज्यादा लो रहता है. सो हमें अपना फेस मास्क से कवर रखना चाहिए फॉर द बेनिफिशियल ऑफ द कम्युनिटी. अपनी कम्युनिटी को बचाने के लिए, सेफ रखने के लिए, अपने आप को बचाने के लिए. यू मस्ट बी वंडरिंग व्हाई मैम इज सेइंग ये मास्क की बात एकदम से कहां से आ गई. अभी तो मैम लेबर की बात कर रही थी. So children, we are going to do one activity related to Labor Day. Today's smiles are incomplete without safety. आज हमारी जो स्माइल है, जो हमारी खुशी है, ये बिना सेफ्टी के बेकार है. Masks play a crucial role in keeping the community safe. Mask एक बहुत crucial रोल प्ले करता है अपनी कम्युनिटी को सेफ रखने के लिए. So join us in our mask distribution to help us achieve our target of ensuring better safety for millions of people. So children, let's do one activity. What you have to do, you have to gift any of the maid. If any maid is coming to your home, अगर कोई आपके घर में मेड आती है या आपके आसपास कोई काम करता है, what you have to do while wearing, आपको भी मास्क पहना है. It's not that कि आपने मास्क नहीं पहना है, you are giving gift. No, you should wear a mask and you should give one mask as a token of love to your maid or any of the person who works nearby. Okay, with full safety of yourself. Okay children, and after doing this you have to click one photograph when you are giving your mask to your maid or nearby, or the person who works nearby. What you have to do, you have to click one photograph also and you have to send it to us. Now we're going to talk about a mother. Mother is very special. Mother's Day, it is celebrated in several countries on the second Sunday of May. This year it falls on 10th May. This is a day for the mother of a family. On this day we thank our mother of what she does for us and of how grateful we are that she is in our life. हमारी अपनी मदर को हमें थैंक यू बोलना चाहिए. We should say thank you. Why? She works 24 hours a day. वो 24 hours के लिए काम करती है. She is a mom. She is an alarm clock, a cook, a maid, a teacher, a nanny, a nurse, a driver, a handyman, a security officer, a photographer, a counselor, a comforter. She does not get holidays. sick pay, days off. She worked through the day and night and get paid in hugs and kisses. Hit like if you love your mother. See, this is how many role your mother is playing at one time. So we should put our head down in front of your mother with the pray that you are very special for us. आपकी मम्मी आपके लिए बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल है. मेरी भी मम्मी मेरे लिए स्पेशल है. Let's play one song. Let's play one rhyme.
मेरी मम्मी प्यारी है, सारे जग से न्यारी है, मुझको खाना खिलाती है, लोरी गा के सुलाती है, रोज दूध पिलाती है और स्कूल को ले जाती है. मेरी मम्मी प्यारी है, सारे जग से न्यारी है, मेरी मम्मी प्यारी है, सारे जग से न्यारी है, मुझको खाना खिलाती है, लोरी गा के सुनाती है, रोज दूध पिलाती है और स्कूल को ले जाती है. मेरी मम्मी प्यारी है, सारे जग से न्यारी है.
मेरी मम्मी प्यारी है. Isn't it beautiful? No one will love you as much as your mother. दुनिया में कोई भी आपको इतना प्यार नहीं कर सकता जितनी आपकी मदर करती है. Mother's Day. Let's do something to make your mother proud or to show your mother your love. What you have to do, you have to take one blank paper and you have to just mark your palm impression on that blank paper. After doing this palm impression, next what you have to do on these fingers, you have to put your finger impression like a flower. In each finger what you have to do, you have to put a impression, finger impression that makes a flower. Then at the bottom part you have to paste one paper. It can be newspaper also, it can be any color paper also, in a shape of pot. Okay, you have to cut it and you have to paste it. After pasting, as I have taken this black color and I felt after pasting it, I felt it's not working properly, so then I had pasted one orange color on it. Okay, then what you can do, if you can write, or you can write this, and if you cannot write, you can take the help of your cousin or your father. What I have written, I have made some flowers with my fingers and thumb, so you will have these memories for all the years to come. आपने ये लिखा है कि मैंने कुछ फ्लावर बनाए हैं अपने फिंगर्स और थंब से, और आपके लिए ये मेमोरीज हैं हमेशा के लिए. ओके, सो व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू कैन make this, it's looking beautiful, and you can frame it also. Dirt and cookies fingerprints are not too hard to find. You will see them on your walls and drawers. Where I go, they are left behind. But soon I will learn to wash my hands and tuck them by my side. The walls and drawers clean once more, no grubby marks to hide. So here I leave my fingerprints, each and every one painted as a reminder of dirt and cookies and fun. You can write this also, thank you for helping me grow. After this you can frame it and hang it on a wall. So children, I hope this is clear to you. What you have to do for Labor Day, you have to give one mask to any of the maid or any of the person who work nearby you. And second, on Mother's Day, you have to make one card or one drawing with your palm impression and finger and thumb impression and give to your mother. While gifting both the thing to a labor or to a mother, you have to click one photograph and you have to send it to us. Till then, bye and love you all. Love you all lot. Enjoy your holidays.